Hello guys and welcome to Code It Up. Today I will tell you how to make a table in HTML. Now I'll be using the online HTML CSS editor CodePen. If you want, you can use any other HTML editor you like. If you want CodePen, the link will be in the description box below. So let's start. First, we go to the HTML part and make the table tag. In this table tag, let's say we keep the border to 2 and we will close the table tag. After that, inside the table tag, we must make another tag, that is tr. Now tr here stands for table row. This will be our row in the table. Then we make a tag th. Now th stands for table head. This will represent each item that we have placed in the table. Let's say I'll keep book. Okay. And over here you can see that the table's border is coming to as we have specified, and we have only one item, that is book. Now if I add another item, the BFG, okay, and let's say the Matilda. Okay, so now here you see that all of these items that I've placed are coming in one row. That is because we have placed them in one table row tag. Now I'll just copy this and paste it. Okay, we won't be needing one command. So here you see that we are getting two rows. Okay, I'll just change this one to author and this one to Roald Dahl. Now you'll see that this text Roald Dahl is longer than the text the BFG. However, both are fitting in the same column, in the same column space. Now this is an HTML property that no matter how long the text is, it will auto adjust the width. For example, I'll just show you. Copy, paste, 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 paste. Okay, so here you can see that all this is coming very wide. Okay, the column width, the column length has automatically adjusted. Okay, now Roald Dahl is coming only under this column, but I want it to come under both columns. How do you do that? Well, you go to the th and add an attribute column span. Column span equal to, now we wanted to cover two columns, so that's why we'll make it 2. Okay, and now here you can see this column is covering both of these. So that is its span. Okay, now suppose I want to add an image in the table. It's quite simple, almost the same thing. You just have to add a image tag. Oh, and there's one very important thing. that CodePen only takes images from the internet. It doesn't take images that are on your PC. I'll just copy image address and paste. Okay. So now you can see the image is coming inside the table. If I want to adjust the size, it's quite simple. I'll just make this 50 and the width also 50. Okay. Now you can see it's adjusted. So that is how you make a table in HTML. If you want to see how to style a table, keep up for the next video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.